Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. So the day that I filmed this was on Monday, and Monday is the day that I typically will clean my master bedroom and also my master bath. So I figured I would just go ahead and take y'all along with me and hopefully y'all can get some cleaning motivation. So pretty much always start out by changing out my sheets. Now what I usually always do is actually just take my sheets off and wash them because I've only ever had one set at a time, but I recently got some new sheets from Ross and they were a really good price, so I decided to go ahead and get them, and then while I'm washing the other ones, I can just have a new set on my bed and there's no rush to get the other ones washed and dried within like a few hours. I don't feel like there's much better than climbing into a freshly made bed, especially when it has clean sheets. Clean sheets just make your bed feel so nice and new, so I really love doing this once a week.
Can I take you out tonight? Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You'll make me crazy in that good way. So come on baby, let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love.
So once I had my bed made, the next thing I needed to do is just go ahead and clear off our dressers, and also I wanted to wipe those down. I feel like especially in the summertime I really need to make sure to wipe them down at least once a week because the dust really settles, and I have been starting to dry dust our furniture between wiping things down, but I still feel like I need to wipe them down about once a week. The cleaner that I'm using today is my Caldray Concentrated Multi-Surface Cleaner in the Sea Salt Neroli scent, which is by far my very favorite scent ever. I love this stuff. And you only take about a tablespoon and then mix the rest with water, and this stuff will last you forever. I get it on the Grove Collaborative website and I really love it. I've been using it for months and months and I'm still using the same bottle. So I definitely recommend this stuff. And as always, I do have a coupon for the Grove Collaborative site. If you are interested in checking it out, you will go ahead and get several free goodies. And I'm just using the cloth that I pretty much always use. I get this at the Dollar Tree. It is the Brillo brand and it works so amazing. It is a disposable cloth, which makes it really convenient, but it is strong enough that you're able to use it for like a day or so before having to toss it out.
Never was the last word that I heard you say before you hung up the phone. Silence, never thought that it would go this way with you wanting me gone.
And then I just wanted to go ahead and fill up my diffuser, and I have been loving diffusing the basil scent. Ever since I got it last month in my Simply Earth box, it has been one of my favorite scents. I was really surprised, but I absolutely love this stuff.
And the words you said is spinning in my head. I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never.
So moving on to my bathrooms, I'm just going to be using the Method Antibacterial Bathroom Cleaner, and I use this in all of my bathrooms. I really love the minty scent of it. It makes your bathroom smell so clean.
Coming over, yeah, you know me. I would give up anything for you. You say it, you know I'll do it, yeah. I don't believe in no useless last week you called me your babe, and now you're letting go. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello, can we sit and talk this through for once before?
After I finished wiping down my countertops, I just really needed to go ahead and clean my mirrors. As you can tell, they had gotten really dirty. I usually have to do this at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, and as you can tell, I did not get this done twice a week because they were extremely dirty this time. But to clean them, I'm just using my Dollar Tree cloth that I'm just rinsing out with water, and then I just go ahead and wipe the entire mirror down with the water, and then I will use my e-cloth to go ahead and finish cleaning it, and you just wipe down the mirror and dry it off with the e-cloth, and it will clean it perfectly with water. There will be zero streaks and it is like perfectly clean. I rave about e-cloths all the time, and I actually went on their website recently and noticed that they were having a huge sale, so you can get 2 e-cloths for the price of 1 and free shipping, so definitely check it out. I will leave that linked in the description box below as well for you guys if you are interested, but I believe it's like $8 for a 2-pack, so definitely check those out. You will not regret it.
Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down. I've never been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you.
And I cannot clean my master bath without cleaning my toilet, so I do wipe this down multiple times a week, but I just wanted to go ahead and clean the bowl out as well, and I am just using the Method toilet bowl cleaner. This is my very favorite toilet bowl cleaner that I've ever used, and it smells so good. I mean, I don't want to sound so crazy in love with a toilet bowl cleaner, but this stuff just really makes cleaning the toilet a little bit more enjoyable. Then I just needed to go ahead and vacuum our room, and I'm just using our Dyson vacuum. I get a lot of questions about what vacuum I use, so I always have it linked in the description box below if you are interested, but we really love this one. And then moving back into the bathroom, I just needed to do a quick vacuum through there and then mop our tile floors with my steam mop. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me during my Monday cleaning of my master bathroom and bedroom, and I hope you got a little bit of cleaning motivation as well. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.